friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I'm so excited. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I have some good finds, so stay tuned. So if you've been with my channel for a while, you've noticed I chopped off my hair and I went darker. So I've been a little radio silent lately. As most of you know, this is my side hustle. So some weeks it's just crazy and I can't get any videos out, and that's just the way it is. So in a couple weeks, chopped off my hair and just, you know, all the things. So it's been crazy, but I am so excited. I'm getting used to this hair. Usually I wear it curly and I'm still figuring that whole thing out, but you know, fingers crossed we get there, because I usually chop it and then realize that I shouldn't have chopped it. So I am excited about it. I'm just getting used to it. I've got a braid in there today, but nonetheless, I digress. Typically I organize everything and there's a rhyme and a reason, but today I think we're just gonna go through everything because it is all super random. The first item that I was so excited about are these little containers. So I've seen these literally all over the place online, but I haven't actually seen them in my store. So I really wanted to grab them and use them in our bathrooms. So the tops, you like interlace them and then it shuts, but then they stack with that lid. You can see through them, so they're really good for organization. I've already used some of these with Sebastian's treats and like medicine and things, so we can stack them kind of in our pantry area. But for $1, these are awesome. I really like that you can easily get it open and shut, but there is a lid so you can stack. So for $1, these are awesome. I grabbed like 10 of these. I also grabbed one of these little Goody brand like emergency hair kits. So they've got 2 of these like the fabric-y ribbon type hair ties. I don't know what they're called. Some bobby pins and then some regular no metal hair ties. And these are awesome. You can throw them in the center console of your car. And like usually I'll get stuck somewhere. My hair will be in my face. It'll be driving me nuts. So I grabbed a pack for my car and a pack for my purse, just so then that way it's all kind of in this container. And even if you don't want to stick it back on there, it's got this little like snappy pouch. So you can use that to kind of corral everything after you use it for the first time. I stocked up on these little travel containers, and I've shared these with you guys before, but it's worth sharing again. So these are for travel salad dressings, but you could use these for a ton of different things. I personally use them for travel toiletry containers. This silicone stuff, for $1, these are usually gonna be about $3, $4, $5, $6 sometimes on Amazon. And so I love these because you can squeeze them. They're meant for liquid, but then there's like a seal. I open it here. There's like a seal here, so you're not gonna have like weird stuff coming out. Like I've never had a leak problem with mine. You're gonna find these in kind of the plates and cups aisle. They're usually hanging like a few to one of those like longer strip items. But these are also great if you do like keto, or you're taking like a sugar-free or a different substitute of something that you're gonna put, like if you need to take it to the restaurant or whatever. Like these are great to put stuff in there. I was finally able to find one of these little mini whisk things, and this is like, people have been talking about these for a while, but I think these are super nice because you can mix a lot of things with it. Like I'm not gonna replace a blender with it, obviously. It's a Dollar Tree product, but basically you push it down, it says, and then it will mix. So I'm thinking of this for like coffee, like really getting stuff stirred up. Like if you put sugar or anything else in there, you can kind of whisk something up or mix it really fast. For $1, I figured I'd try it. I obviously haven't tried it yet because it's still in the box, but I will, if it works, I'll share it on my Instagram story, so head over and follow me over there. That's also where I share a lot of my Dollar Tree finds as I'm finding them. We are going to be doing 4th of July holiday with my husband's family, so my nephew's gonna be there, so I grabbed some fun stuff that can be in the lake water. It's only $1, but I've heard really good things about these little discs. They get wet and you can like throw them, and then a beach ball, so just some fun stuff to have. I love being an auntie because I can spoil the crap out of my nephew, and my sister-in-law watches my videos, so she is definitely gonna know that these are coming, but you know, that's fine. That's how it was with this Easter basket too. She sees everything on YouTube before it comes, but that's all right. We'll just continue on with the randomness. So I've shared these before too, but I love these things for dusting. They are the microfiber like mitt for your car, but these things really are great for a quick dusting. I like them when you find out last minute that somebody's coming over and you cannot do a full-blown clean, but I just like throw some like end dust, or sometimes I'll use like Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner, put this mitt on and just go to town. And it's really nice because these little like kind of cousin it looking things will pick up all of your dirt and grime and stuff. They're also great for your car, but I use them around my house. On blinds, it's great. So this is a really good thing for $1 to kind of just have in your cleaning caddy or your closet or wherever you keep your cleaning supplies. So I've been buying up a lot of different decals that you see kind of by the poster section. So they've got letters and numbers and all that fun stuff. I saw this in the teacher section, and these letters are basically the same thing. They're just a lot larger. So this is actual size. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use these for, but I'm sure I'll have a DIY project I can use them for. On the back, it gives you a little like how many of each there are, so which is nice if you're trying to do a specific thing. Check that out. So then like if you're trying to do something longer and you need like multiple A's or E's, that'll help you know in the store if you need to grab a few or one or, you know, whatever the case may be. So the teacher section is also like a hidden gem within the Dollar Tree. Like I'm obviously not a teacher, but like they've got a ton of craft supplies, cute stickers. It would be really good for summertime kids activities as well, so definitely check that out because that's a sleeper at the Dollar Tree. I grabbed one of these trays. Now I have a DIY project in mind for this, and I actually have a really cool collab coming up with some other YouTubers. You guys really liked when I did my last collab, the thrift store makeover with Courtney over at Creative on the Cheap. I will link that if you haven't seen it up above and down below, but this I'm going to be doing another collab. I'm so excited. It's coming in July, so I grabbed this for that project. Also for that project, I grabbed 2 of these red and black buffalo check kind of light scarves. You guys told me so many times around Christmas that you could not find these for the DIYs that I had. Now's the time to grab them because nobody's thinking about Christmas right now. So grab these. They also have some white and black buffalo check. So grab these now, stick them in a bin, and then you'll have them for Christmas time when everybody else is going crazy in the store and buying them. You'll be like, did that in June. I grabbed 2 of these little square wood signs. Now I plan on making these over. I did share on my Instagram how I made over 2 of these signs for the 4th of July holiday. It was super easy with popping these out, so I have an idea for something similar. So I will share these on a video on this channel. Those other ones were just such a quick turn that it wasn't really a full video, so I posted it over there. So another reason why you should head over to my Instagram, because quick posts over there, there's a lot more content that you can check out. I buy up these things like crazy, and these are a 3-pack of jute twine. There's green and then 2 of the regular brown jute twine. Now I don't really use the green too much. I did use it for Christmas time, but these 2, especially for $1, is a really good deal. Farmhouse decor literally is always better with some of this jute twine, so I stock up on these. This you're not gonna find in the craft section. This is found in like the automotive section, so over by like that cleaning towel, all that stuff. If you can tell by the sticker, it's the tool bench hardware section, so over by the paintbrushes and screwdrivers and all that kind of stuff. Anytime you see me using jute twine on my DIYs, it's this kind, and I stock up because I don't always see it. All random, but I grabbed a couple of these little Toy Story figurines. I have an idea for a DIY. I hope it works out so you guys will see it in a video, but I got Buzz, Woody, and Rex. They also had Bo Peep and that little fork. I think it's called Forky. I don't know. I haven't seen the new movie yet, but we're planning on going to see that. But I have an idea for these for a DIY. These say 4+. They are pretty small, so they're probably a choking hazard, to be completely honest. But if you've got kids that like figurines, these are awesome to do a full set. Or if your kids are heading to a party and you're not quite sure what to get, they've got these. They've got sometimes Paw Patrol. They've got other Disney ones, little like Cars figurines. So definitely check out the toy section if you are headed to a kid's birthday party and you're not quite sure what to get the kid. I definitely made an impulse buy at the checkout area when I saw this notepad. I love having these to just kind of scribble down notes. I've been going back and forth at work between my like OneNote and my computer and like a physical sheet of paper. But like for me personally, there's nothing better than like scratching off something on a to-do list. I don't know about you, let me know down below, but like if you could physically just cross it off, like that is the best feeling. Especially when you're type A like myself, it just feels good. So this has a marble on the like a marble motif on the outside, and then it says I'm busy at the bottom, but thought this was cute. It's got a little magnet, which I like because I can hook that up at my desk, but for $1 it's nice. And I also like that it doesn't have lines, and it also doesn't have like a bunch of stuff going on. There's a lot of space to write. Sometimes Dollar Tree gets a little carried away with their design and you have about this much space to write, which is no bueno. So I loved this. I loved the little motif. I saw this at the checkout, like in the impulse section, and this is so cute. It's a little llama, like, I think it's a pencil. It's just called a zipper pouch, but they had a ton of different ones. But I figured this is cute. Throw some stuff in there. I like the llama trend. I'm here for it. I'm not like huge on like the pineapples or like the avocados, more like the food, but like I think this is cute. Not a big unicorn person either, but llamas for sure. And finally, this is literally, I saved the best for last. I think I didn't mean to. It was just in the bottom of this bag, but I was so excited about these. So these are eyeglass pouches, but I'm gonna use them for my sunglasses. And literally, you just pinch the top, stick them in there. The inside is like fuzzy, and these prints are just stinking cute. They remind me of those little like sink strainer things that people were looking at that had like donuts and stuff. It's just cartoony. I grabbed one for my car and one for my purse to throw my sunglasses in, just to keep them so they don't get scratched in my bag. But these for $1, like these sell even at Walmart for about $4 typically. So these are really good quality, and I was so excited to find these because they're so cute and they're gonna protect my sunglasses from getting scratched up. Well, there you have it. There is my Dollar Tree haul for today. Let me know down below what your favorite item was and what you're on the hunt for. I love reading those comments from you guys to see what you're looking for and see if I've missed anything. Gotta add anything to my to-do list. As always, thanks so much for watching. Hit subscribe down below so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Whit video like that collab that I mentioned coming up in July. A lot more DIYs coming up, and I'm so excited to get into fall as well. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!